Hello, my name is Agent Yuvi Chatil, and my partner Guan Yu and I have created a alarm system for protecting the National Espionage Unit headquarters. The machine employs 3 alarm systems. The first for an emergency lighting situation, the second for an event of a fire, and the third for unauthorized personnel entering top secret locations within the facility. If the light level drops below a certain point, the temperature rises above 50 degrees Celsius, or an agent presses the security button, a short alarm is played, and a relevant message is displayed on the screen. In addition, if the light level drops too low, an emergency LED is turned on. Now for a short demonstration.
Hi, I'm Guang Yu. This is a screen. This is a machine. Look at the screen. The first line is the temperature, and the second line is the light level. When the light level is too low, like I cover the sensor, it will alarm. Then I have to reset it again. Okay, so if someone unauthorized come in, then I will press this button. It will alarm again. The screen will say unauthorized person.
Here is the temperature sensor. If the temperature rises above 50 degrees Celsius, as would happen in the case of a fire, the final alarm goes off. But simulating this would be difficult, as it would require setting our breadboard on fire. So instead, we tell the computer to simulate a temperature of 80 degrees. And when the breadboard is told that the temperature is 80 degrees, what happens is the final alarm goes off.